Dating tip number 7 for men: how to manage tough internet dating questions. Guys, when you begin filling out an online dating profile, you're going to come across a number of questions. Most of these are fairly straightforward and simple, such as what you do for a living, what you're looking for in a woman, and so on. However, when you meet a woman online and begin sharing questions and answers, you might be met with some tough ones. How do you feel about a woman who earns more than you? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? When out on a date, do you hold the door, pay the check, and act chivalrous? In the modern age of feminism and the power of an independent woman, the wrong answer can leave you in the doghouse or find you your next set of questions going unanswered. So, how do you answer the tough questions? In one word, honestly. Stay true to yourself. You may have found the most amazing woman: blonde, blue eyes, perfect body, firm and shapely, and that smile is contagious. You stare at her picture and find yourself smiling back and daydreaming about that Caribbean vacation. You want to impress her. You want to give her every reason to want to meet you. That's when the simplest and most innocent of questions suddenly seem impossible to answer. Should you tell her what you think she wants to hear? After all, she's a high-powered, successful businesswoman and not willing to accept the BS that comes with so much of her working day. She must be independent, right? She probably can't stand when a guy holds the door. She wasn't capable. If you're chivalrous and believe in taking care of a woman while you're out, grabbing the check, and deciding where to eat, then say so. Trying to figure out what she's looking for will leave you contradicting yourself, and it's the easiest way to lose a good woman. As a matter of fact, many successful women actually enjoy being taken care of while they're out on a date. Keep this in mind. The questions that you find tough to answer or the ones that you're looking for the right answer, there's no excuse in this category. Just answer honestly. If it's not what she's looking for, then you'll find out now rather than later, after you've invested time and money in the relationship.